Welcome to our aquaculture hands-on activity. Good day, everyone. Welcome to another exciting learning experience here in the Grade 12 TVL Aquaculture program. Today, we invite you to witness one of the most important stages in fish pond management, our hands-on pond preparation activities. These activities are not only essential for successful fish production, but also allow our students to apply the knowledge and skills they have learned inside the classroom. Aquaculture is more than simply raising fish. It requires proper planning, careful preparation, teamwork, patience, and responsibility. One of the best things about today's activity is seeing our students work together. Everyone has a specific responsibility. Some students monitor the water flow, while others prepare the tools and equipment needed for the succeeding activities. Communication is very important. Students coordinate with one another to make sure every task is completed safely and efficiently. Through teamwork, they develop not only technical skills but also leadership, cooperation, discipline, and respect for one another. These are valuable life skills that they can bring with them wherever their future careers may lead. Every successful harvest begins with a well-prepared pond, and that is exactly what we will be doing today. Come with us as we demonstrate the different activities involved in preparing a fish pond for the next production cycle. Draining the pond. Our first activity is draining the pond. Draining the pond is one of the most important management practices before starting a new culture cycle. This process allows us to remove old water that may contain accumulated waste materials, excess organic matter, disease-causing organisms, unwanted fish, predators, and other harmful organisms that could affect the health and growth of cultured fish. As the water level gradually decreases, students carefully observe the pond condition. They inspect the pond bottom, identify areas that need repair, and remove debris and stones that may have accumulated during the previous production cycle. This activity also gives students the opportunity to understand why water quality is one of the key factors in aquaculture production. A clean pond provides a better environment for healthy fish growth. Draining may appear to be a simple task, but it requires proper planning and coordination to ensure that water is released safely and efficiently. Before the installation of the outlet pipe, the students begin deepening the pond. This activity involves removing excess soil to improve the pond's depth. Why is pond depth important? A properly deepened pond helps maintain stable water temperature, reduces rapid evaporation during hot weather, provides a better living environment for fish, and improves overall water quality. Students carefully remove soil while maintaining the desired pond slope and the bottom structure. Although this activity requires physical effort, it teaches perseverance, patience, and determination. Every shovel of soil represents hard work toward creating a better environment for aquatic animals. So our next activity is the installation of the PVC pipe outlet. The outlet pipe serves as a drainage system of the fish pond. It allows us to control the movement of water entering and leaving the pond. Proper installation is very important because it helps regulate water levels during culture operations, harvesting, pond cleaning, and maintenance. So before installation, students measure the location carefully to ensure proper alignment. They check the pipe size, position, and stability to prevent leakage. So the pipe must be securely installed so it can withstand continuous water pressure and changing weather conditions. So during this activity, students also learn the importance of proper engineering practices in aquaculture. Even a small mistake in pipe installation can lead to water loss, pond damage, or production problems. So by performing these tasks themselves, students gain confidence and practical experience that cannot be learned from books alone. Of course, throughout today's activity, safety remains our highest priority. Students use tools properly and follow the instructions given by their teacher. They are reminded to observe proper body mechanics while digging and lifting heavy materials. Working safely not only prevents accident but also promotes professionalism in the workplace. Developing safe work habits today prepares students for future careers in the aquaculture industry. One of the greatest strengths of technical vocational education is learning through experience. Instead of only discussing concepts inside the classroom, students are given opportunities to perform actual aquaculture operations. By participating in real-life activities, they understand why each procedure is necessary. Mistakes become learning opportunities, challenges become valuable experiences, and every completed task builds confidence. Hands-on learning prepares students for future employment, entrepreneurship, and lifelong learning. This is more than just preparing a fish pond. This is preparing future aquaculture practitioners who are ready to contribute to food security, sustainable fisheries, and community development. Thank you for joining us in today's aquaculture hands-on activity. This is Grade 12 TVL Aquaculture of Lintugup National High School. Learning by doing, growing through experience, building skills for the future. See you in our next aquaculture adventure.